Welcome back to Daylight Grief's mindfulness series, Mindful Mondays. This is week 19, and my name is Christy, and I'll be walking you through this exercise. This week, we'll turn our attention outward to the natural world and explore how mindfulness can deepen our connection with nature as a source of quiet comfort and steady support. Grief often leaves us feeling untethered. Nature, in its quiet rhythms and steady presence, can offer a grounding reminder that life continues to move and breathe around us. Whether you are sitting outside, near a window, or simply imagining a peaceful place in nature, this practice is here for you. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. If you are outside, take a moment to notice the space around you. If you're indoors, you can call to mind a natural setting that brings you calm, perhaps a forest, ocean, garden, or sunny field. And if you are looking out the window, take notice of the space you see from there. Allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze. Let your hands rest comfortably and take a deep breath in through your nose and out slowly through your mouth. Do that once more, breathing in and gently exhaling. Let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. Begin to bring awareness to the presence of nature, either around you or in your imagination. Notice the sensations, the warmth or coolness of the air, a soft breeze or stillness, the sound of birds, rustling leaves, or distant water. Even if you're indoors, see if you can sense something alive in your surroundings. Sunlight through the window, a house plant nearby, the sound of rain, the memory of being outside. Let your attention rest gently on these sensations. Now, imagine that you are breathing with the earth. As you inhale, imagine drawing in the calm and quiet strength of the natural world. As you exhale, imagine releasing tension, letting it be absorbed by the ground beneath you. Breathing in, I feel the steadiness of nature. Breathing out, I release what I am holding. Repeat this silently to yourself if it helps. Let each breath be slow and intentional. Breathing in, I feel the steadiness of nature. Breathing out, I release what I am holding. Nature does not ask us to be any different than we are. It simply welcomes us as we are. As you sit with this presence, notice if any feeling of ease or comfort arises, however subtle. You might imagine yourself resting beneath a tree, sitting beside a quiet stream, or walking along a trail with no need to hurry. Let this scene support you. Let it hold space for your grief without needing to change it. Take a few final deep breaths. Notice the surface beneath you, the sounds around you, the air against your skin. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes or lift your gaze. As you move through your day, know that nature is always available, whether outside your door or in the memories and images you hold inside. Even in the midst of grief, you can return to the quiet companionship of the earth, one mindful breath at a time. Thank you for sharing this moment with yourself today. Until next week.